This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Cooling system servicing. Cooling system draining. If the vehicle has just been driven, wait several hours to allow the engine to cool down before beginning this procedure. Pull the hood release lever located below the steering column. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the under-vehicle splash shield. Remove the expansion tank cap. Move a large container under the radiator drain to catch the coolant. The drain valve is located on the lower right side of the radiator. If necessary, pry out the harness clip and reposition the wiring harness. Attach a length of tubing to the drain fitting port. Then open the drain fitting valve and allow the coolant to drain into the pan. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses. When the flow of coolant stops, tighten the drain plug securely. Reattach the wiring harness clip to the lower radiator support, if removed. Dispose of the used coolant properly. Cooling system filling. Place the heater temperature control in the maximum heat position, then slowly fill the expansion tank with the correct mixture of antifreeze and water to the full cold mark. With the expansion tank cap off, start the engine and let it idle for about a minute. Install the cap on the expansion tank, but don't tighten it yet. Pressure must be able to escape. Raise the engine speed to approximately 3,000 RPM in 30-second cycles until the engine reaches normal operating temperature and the thermostat opens. Turn the engine off and remove the expansion tank cap. If there is any hissing noise coming from the tank, wait until it stops, then remove the cap. Add coolant to the tank until the level is ½ inch above the full cold mark. Then, repeat this process of starting the engine with the cap on loosely, raising the engine speed to fast idle, then turning the engine off. With the engine cool and the coolant now circulated through the cooling system, remove the expansion tank cap. Add coolant again as necessary to bring the level ½ inch above the fill cold mark on the tank. Install the expansion tank cap securely.